Oh wow, look. Mind your business, first of all, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was in the process of making my boys some protein shakes. And you know, I figured, why not record it so everybody can see? So these are just gonna be some quick little, I call them, I guess, I don't know if I could say Reese's, but it's actually peanut butter cup protein shakes. So yeah, I like to use the Almond Breeze unsweetened vanilla. Then we're gonna be using Jif creamy peanut butter. And then the Walden Farms chocolate syrup. Love, love, love this stuff. It really doesn't have any benefits, but it tastes really good. Literally all the stats are 0. Can you see it? Can you see it? So I also use the fermented pea protein from Nutrisama, and we get the vegan one. Basically get the unflavored one because they have others, but they're not vegan. They're vegetarian, so like the vanilla and stuff, that's not vegan. This is, but it does the job. It's really smooth. I like it. It's not gritty at all. It blends really well. Maca powder. So this is Navita's Organics, but honestly, any brand, like legit any brand, it works. Let me tell you what it got in it. Only 20 calories per serving, 1 gram of protein, 4 grams of carbs. It's real good for you and good for them. Spinach. I mean, what else can you say? It's spinach, you know? Spinach. I have 4 boys. I told y'all that before. So I'm actually gonna measure out about 24 ounces of liquid, okay? Hold on, let me shake this up real quick. Only need 1 generous scoop of the protein. Doesn't take much. Where did my spoon go? Right there. Really big blob of peanut butter. And another big blob of peanut butter.
Yeah, big bada boom.
Bada boom.
There's no rules. There's no rules when it comes to peanut butter. Peanut butter's life, okay? Okay? Normally I would lick this spoon, but I don't want to be savage right now so you guys can judge me. I'm gonna wait till we get to know each other better. Then I'll let the savage me come out, okay? 1 big tablespoon of maca. So the maca also gives it like a malted flavor, like, you know, like chocolate malts. It gives it that type of flavor. Just 1. My kids aren't really fond of the maca, but I still give it to them because they need it. Okay, we're gonna put in the chocolate. Now this, I don't measure this either. So it's gonna be a really, really nice pour, okay? And it smells so good. You know what it kind of smells like? I'm not gonna say, okay. It smells spiked. You know what, I might do a video of me drinking one of these. I'm just joking, I would never do that.
I want to get chocolate wasted.
No, you don't need to get wasted, it's okay. So let's pour in a nice little helping of that. I don't measure, I told y'all that before. So let's get some ice in my Dallas Cowboys cup, okay? You better recognize.
And I want the rest of you cowboys to know something. There's a new sheriff in town.
Pour it in there. Only pour half in there first. Add the spinach. Big handful of spinach. Big old ghetto handful. I have some overripe bananas. I forgot to show you guys earlier. My kids are arguing, so let's let them finish, okay?
Hey, I was in front of you. No, you weren't. Are you calling me a liar? I ain't calling you for dinner.
So when your bananas are like this, they have the most nutrients in them. So yeah, they're all ugly and mushy, but guess what? This is the best time to eat them because they have all the nutrients at this time. Okay, so we're gonna see if we can peel it because it's falling apart. Squeeze that in there. Ooh. Look at that. And it's so sweet. Like when the bananas are like this, they are so sweet. And I actually have 2 of them. So guess what? We're gonna get the other one too. Try not to touch it because I don't want my hands to get slimy. Also, when bananas are like this, they're really good for like banana pancakes.
Pancakes. Pancakes.
And so when I make my vegan cornbread, you know, instead of eggs, I use mashed banana as well. And what else? I also use mashed banana in like cake mixes and all that type of stuff. So it's a lot of uses for mashed bananas. You can see my dog is over here begging. Y'all see him? Because he loves bananas. He eats fruits and vegetables, but he does eat raw meat too because he's a wolf and he's supposed to. So let me grab my lid so we can blend this up. And I'm gonna actually add a little bit more ice, okay? And we're gonna put our lid on. Ooh, so good. Very good. I wonder if there's enough for me. Oh, so I buy these cups. I just feel like it's easier when it comes to smoothies and stuff. But I buy these on Amazon. I think I got like 100 cups for like $12. Comes with lids too, but obviously I don't need them. We're at home. Let me see. Can you see? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Now it looks all green, but it's actually really good and peanut buttery and sweet. Now I just top them off. I obviously give my tiny Jace the least because he's little. They're gonna love this. Next time I'm gonna use less milk so it could be thicker and creamier. But overall these turned out bomb AF. Next time, instead of it being real peanut buttery, it'll be fruity. I'll use like strawberries and pineapple and avocado. You guys are probably like, avocado, what is wrong with you? Well, avocado, when you put it in the smoothie, it makes it creamier and you can't actually taste the actual avocado. It's really delicious. Boys, come have y'all smoothies. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and you will get alerts every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for tuning in and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.